viewers and subscribers, today I have a little video I want to upload and make you go on watching on Monday, you know. When we down the yard, I go on easy. A little stage show, you know, where Aidonia and Govana mash up in a Seaview. You see me, I say? Two artists, they do their thing. You see me? Come like say Aidonia, ready for road. To him attack and boy, it's a bag of thing I go on that video I really want to point out nothing, you know, you see me. You have to just look for yourself and when you see it. And you can text in the comment section to see me and make me know if you see what I see, you see me. I start from the selector, you see me? It changing at the selector, you see me? And also I want to say big up to my viewers and subscribers. And if you don't subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe, and thank you so much. We're going to jump right into the video and check the performance out.
No for them boy, I hear that to girl thing. Millions of dollars they spent on girl ring. Another man on the road that come from them girl thing. See her Keisha, say she have a man of foreign. Reckon I'm a fuck it on. Fuck it up all in the parking lot of Carib. You but couldn't believe when she tell me say she married. Say ya who, Keisha brother. Ya who, Keisha cousin. What you mean? Not glad. That's why the thing said now give us all country tonight. And every girl gets me interest, and the Jesse man can't get it. Look how much money you ever invest, and another man to take off it. Yo, I saw the thing said now, so I've got we have so much coming up, but we don't have only for time. 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 Brilliant. We don't have no only for time, but we have a only for minds. I want me sing that song, yeah. I want me sing that song, yeah. Yo, see, do you know that? Go see a lion them. Go so. Who knows you go? Because they never do it hard in a dojo. Who you know? I'm the boss. We don't get it, they make a chip on it. See me go, and you see the ticket, the board of a low blow. No, live your life back, YOLO. Yo, go give me a kind of soda. Tell us on the pressure, what you be doing? Not for lies, and I'm feeling. Still in that, the girl swarm right there. I'm going to let you get together, right? What you say? I was with your stage cheese. Tell me sweet, say she walk here, see? When I smile with the pretty braces teeth. Best on the highway, I hear it. I tell that thing, I saw what do we think. Oh, I'm proud of general. I hear time, you know. All this looks up. Hold on, how am I than here? Louis? Louis, am I than here? How this name? Tell me what this name on five. It's a fresh job, oh, it's a fresh job. You're up in on it. Let's not go in a fresh job, Louis and Fendi. It's a big name, you're a lot of coffee problem. Pull up on the road that I Louis with the loot that a bloody problem. Bad man, me done with this one. Best so sweet that I Lalo. We know a thing going on. Big up on yourself, you know. You hear that? Life and living, you know. You hear that? Right now, bad. When you ready for it now? Yeah. All about people, them.
I don't want to put on a great performance, people. So if I lie, me I tell, just let me know in the comment section. You see me? Because artists are going good.
Let me walk with. Let me walk with. All my 4 generation funds them. Bossy, I am them.
All me can say viewers and subscribers, the artist out and are doing thing. You see me? 4th generation subscribers them. Yes, on artist are doing thing. I swear I'm ready for your road right now. I think any boy run up right now with dead. I don't ready for any boy right now.
He last time before this hour, but 2016 now. I'm there Jamaica go easy. And the pussy never try fast in my life. Hear the pussy them a half say. When the Jenna there, when the Jenna there, you may live in me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, party people, the more see on them go so. Come a rubber band, come a start there. Come a rubber band, come a start there. I want bomb box out in the mouth for you. Say, we are going to go. All right, then. Yeah. Say, ha. Come a rubber band. Who not ready again? We are going. All right, then.
Viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching. If you reach this far in the video, I most appreciate it. I'm out. Catch me in the next one.